Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Imprint application. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you open up the Imprint application, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and use your credentials to end up within the home page. And now, from here, the only settings that you have access to is within the account icon at the top right corner. If you tap on it, you will see that there is no option to change your language. So in order to change your language for this app, you will need to change the language for your phone as well. Go ahead and open up your phone settings and then simply tap on the search box and then type in language. Once you find the language option, go ahead and tap on it and then choose your language by tapping on the language option. You can tap on the add language option if you wish to add a new language, and you can choose from whichever language you wish for your phone. Once you choose your language and enable it, your phone interface will be changed to this language, and the Imprint application will also follow the same instructions, and you will see the app in this language as well. And there you have it. That is how you can change your language within the Imprint application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.